In the realm of heavy machinery, the Motorart K-tec 1233, a DT scraper stands as a testament to innovation, efficiency, and cutting-edge design. This formidable piece of equipment has been making waves in the construction and earthmoving industry, reshaping the way professionals approach their projects. Let's see some of the most amazing facts about this machine. Evolution of efficiency. The evolution of efficiency in heavy machinery has witnessed a significant leap with the advent of the Motorart scraper. This cutting-edge equipment has redefined the landscape of earth-moving operations, offering a level of efficiency that sets it apart in the construction industry. The evolution is evident in its design, where every component is meticulously engineered to maximize productivity, minimize operational costs, and streamline the overall construction process. At the core of this machine's evolution is its remarkable payload capacity. The machinery has been engineered to handle large volumes of material with unparalleled efficiency, making it an ideal solution for projects that demand substantial earth-moving capabilities. This evolution addresses the increasing demands of modern construction sites, where the ability to move materials swiftly and effectively is paramount. The scraper's advanced hydraulic system contributes to its efficiency, ensuring that every operation is executed with precision and speed, saving valuable time and resources on construction projects. Moreover, this scraper signifies an evolution in adaptability. Its design caters to the diverse needs of construction professionals, offering versatility across different terrains and applications. From challenging landscapes to routine earth-moving tasks, this scraper is a testament to the evolution of efficiency in heavy machinery, providing construction teams with a reliable and adaptable solution. As the construction industry evolves, the Motorart scraper stands at the forefront, embodying the pinnacle of efficiency and innovation in earth-moving equipment. Key features and capabilities. The Motorart scraper boasts a suite of key features and capabilities that position it as a formidable player in the realm of heavy machinery. At the forefront of its design is an impressive payload capacity, allowing the scraper to handle large quantities of material with efficiency and precision. This standout feature not only enhances productivity on construction sites, but also streamlines the overall earth-moving process, making it an invaluable asset for projects of varying scales. A defining characteristic of this machine is its advanced hydraulic system. This technological innovation ensures seamless operation, contributing to the scraper's remarkable efficiency. The hydraulic system facilitates smooth loading, unloading, and precise maneuverability, enabling construction professionals to navigate challenging terrains with ease. This feature not only enhances the overall performance of the equipment, but also reduces the likelihood of operational disruptions, making the scraper a reliable and high-performing solution in demanding construction environments. The scraper's adaptability to diverse job sites is another key feature that sets it apart. Whether tackling rough terrains or engaging in routine earth-moving tasks, this scraper demonstrates versatility in its applications. Its user-friendly design further enhances its capabilities, ensuring that construction teams can deploy and operate the equipment with efficiency. As construction projects become increasingly varied and complex, the scraper's multifaceted features and capabilities cater to the evolving needs of the industry, making it a standout choice for modern construction professionals. Environmental considerations. In a world increasingly attuned to the importance of sustainability, the Motorart scraper stands out for its environmental considerations. This heavy machinery is designed with a commitment to minimizing its ecological footprint, aligning with the growing emphasis on responsible practices within the construction industry. A key aspect of its eco-friendly design is the incorporation of features that contribute to fuel efficiency. By optimizing fuel consumption, the scraper not only reduces operational costs for construction professionals, but also diminishes its overall impact on the environment, aligning with the industry's push towards greener solutions. The K-tec 1233, a DT scraper's environmental consciousness, extends beyond fuel efficiency to address broader sustainability concerns in construction operations. Its design takes into account the importance of minimizing noise pollution, a common challenge in heavy machinery. By incorporating noise-reducing technologies and thoughtful engineering, the scraper aims to create a more harmonious work environment for both operators and the surrounding communities. This consideration underscores the machinery's commitment to balancing industrial progress with ecological responsibility. Furthermore, the scraper's durability and longevity contribute to sustainable practices. By constructing a machine that withstands the test of time, K-tec minimizes the need for frequent replacements and reduces the environmental impact associated with manufacturing new equipment. This approach reflects a forward-thinking perspective that not only addresses immediate environmental concerns, but also considers the long-term implications of heavy machinery in the construction industry. As sustainability becomes an increasingly integral part of business practices, the Motorart scraper leads the way in fostering eco-friendly construction solutions. Conclusion. In conclusion, this scraper emerges as a revolutionary force in the world of heavy machinery, seamlessly blending innovation, efficiency, and environmental consciousness. Its evolution of efficiency is evident in its impeccable design, featuring a remarkable payload capacity and advanced hydraulic systems that redefine the standards of productivity in the construction industry. This scraper doesn't merely adapt to construction needs, it anticipates and exceeds them, showcasing a commitment to excellence that resonates across diverse job sites. The key features and capabilities of this machine solidify its status as a game-changer in the field of earth-moving equipment. With an emphasis on adaptability, user-friendliness, and a robust hydraulic system, it caters to the dynamic demands of modern construction projects. Its multifaceted design allows construction professionals to navigate the challenges of varied terrains, delivering unparalleled performance and reliability. As construction projects evolve, this scraper stands as a beacon of innovation, providing a solution that not only keeps pace with industry demands, but propels them into a new era of efficiency. The environmental considerations embedded in this machine showcase a forward-thinking approach to sustainability in heavy machinery. By prioritizing fuel efficiency, minimizing noise pollution, and promoting durability, this scraper not only addresses immediate environmental concerns, but also contributes to a more responsible and eco-conscious construction industry. In a world where environmental stewardship is non-negotiable, the K-tec 1233, a DT scraper, demonstrates that progress and sustainability can indeed go hand in hand, setting a new standard for construction equipment that prioritizes both performance and the planet. That's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.